What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the iDECT Edge Plus call blocker. So right guys, this is the box I've bought and it's actually a twin pack, and this is what it looks like. So this is what the front of it looks like, and it's just telling you nuisance call blocker, backlit display, hands-free speaker phone, and up to 25 minutes digital answering machine. So that's pretty cool. So on the side here we've got a bit more information, and it just tells you that it nuisance call blocking, hands-free speakerphone, LCD backlit, up to 25 minutes digital answering machine, 100 names and numbers in the phone book, 10 different ringer melodies, caller ID, store information on the last 50 calls, last 20 numbers redial, and up to 10 hours talk time and 100 hours standby. So that's pretty good as well. So on the other side of the box it just tells you what you get in the box itself. So the box contains 2 handsets, 1 base station, 1 charger pod, 1 mains power adapter, 1 telephone line cord, 4 rechargeable batteries, and 1 user guide. And underneath here they've got a customer support line, and it tells you what time it's open from Monday to Friday 8 till 8 and Saturday 8 till 2. So right, let's get it open and have a look what it looks like. So on the top we've got the handsets, and this is what the handsets look like. So they're pretty cool. It's similar to a mobile phone but slightly longer, but obviously the battery goes underneath, but it seems really nice and light. It's got like a shiny black on the back. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's saying charge up to 15 hours before you actually use it, because the batteries will be dead. So that's one handset. And that's the second handset. And they both look identically the same. There's no difference in between them. Usually you do have the master one what's got more features than the other, but they're totally identical. So underneath here we've got a little note: if you have any problems with this operation of this product, please try the following things. So hopefully we should have no problems. So in the box itself we've got a user guide, and it does come with a 12 months warranty as well. So I'll just move some of this stuff out of the way. So in here we've got some rechargeable batteries, AAA batteries, 1.2 volts, and there's 4 of them. And you've got the doors for the phones as well to close it. So I'm just going to quickly fit the batteries. So that's come on, it's got a bit of battery supply, it's in out of range. Obviously nothing's connected up yet, so it is going to say that. So I'll just quickly fit this battery. And this says the same thing, out of range. Like I said, it's not connected up, so we can't really do much with it. So right, this must be the main docking station, and this is what it looks like. So the pins are there for charging it itself, and it's got an iDECT label there, and the phone must slot into there. So underneath here we've got a button as well, so if you lose your phone and you need to find it, that will make it start ringing. So that's pretty cool. So it comes with a plug supply, and it actually slots in there, and it's already slotted, and so is the telephone line. And there's the other end of it. So that's what we've got here. So I'm just going to move the box slightly out of the way. I'm going to actually plug this in. Luckily I've got a plug socket right here. And to put it on charge, what you need to do is, you can see these pins here at the top, they have to actually touch there, and it slots into the bottom of there. So I'll try that now. So there you go, it's on charge now. And we'll have a look what else we get in the box. We get the final docking station, which is a smaller pod, and that just comes with a plug socket only. This hasn't got a button underneath it either, but I think when you search for it, it must ring both of them. The same fit process here, it slots onto the top and must hook into the bottom. So I'm just going to plug that in as well. So I'll try this on here now. So that's on charge as well. So the main docking station itself has got a power light, but the other one hasn't. So alright guys, that's everything we actually get in the box, and there's nothing else. It's pretty simple actually. So you just get both the headsets and the docking stations, user manual, and a telephone line, and the power supplies. So I can't really show you much. This says handset 2 on it now, so this one must belong on to the other way around, and this one says handset 1. So it's very similar to a mobile phone, and you've got the menu system there, and you've got the calls, redial, mute, pick the phone up, put it down, and the keypads there. So it seems pretty simple. Once you use it a few times, it'll be pretty easy to use. So right guys, that, like I said, this was a quick unboxing. I've not exactly used it properly yet, but I think it'll be pretty simple to use. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody else out who's thinking about buying one to use. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.